Hey there, are you tired of encountering glitches during your transactions? Error 500 on Cash App can be frustrating. In this guide, we'll explore how to fix Cash App Error 500 so you can get back to smooth, hassle-free transactions in no time. Step 1. Check your internet connection. First things first, ensure that your internet connection is stable. A weak or disconnected network could be causing the error. Try switching from Wi-Fi to cellular data or vice versa to see if that resolves the issue. Additionally, rebooting your router can often fix network-related problems. Watching your connection strengthen just might be the key to fixing Cash App Error 500. Step 2. Update the Cash App. If your app is outdated, you might encounter errors like the dreaded 500. To check for updates, head over to the App Store or Google Play Store. Search for Cash App and hit Update if an update is available. Staying up to date with the latest version ensures you have the latest features and bug fixes, minimizing the chance of errors. Step 3. Clear Cash App cache and data. Sometimes the saved cache and data can lead to unexpected issues. On Android devices, proceed to Settings, Apps, Cash App, Storage, and tap on Clear Cache and Clear Data. For iOS, you might need to uninstall and reinstall the app to achieve the same effect. Clearing cache and data often eliminates temporary files that could be responsible for Error 500. Step 4. Restart your device. A simple yet effective solution is to restart your device. This can resolve minor software glitches causing the error. Turn off your smartphone, wait a few seconds, and power it back on. After rebooting, relaunch the Cash App to see if the error persists. Often, a fresh start is all it takes to fix Cash App Error 500. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If the error continues despite your best effort, it's time to reach out to professional help. Open the Cash App and navigate to your profile icon. Scroll down and select Cash Support, then press something else. Find the relevant issue and tap Contact Support. Providing detailed information helps the support team diagnose and fix Cash App Error 500 efficiently. Though running into Cash App Error 500 can be a hassle, these steps should help you troubleshoot the issue effectively. From internet issues to app updates and cache clearing, there's always a way to tackle the problem. Remember, persistence is key. With these solutions in hand, you'll be back to seamless cash transfers and payments in no time. Stay persistent, stay patient, and most importantly, happy transferring.